In front of me is the Samsung Freestyle 2nd Gen projector with gaming hub, and I even replaced my 65-inch TV in my living room with this projector because it can project up to 100 inches at 1080p resolution. With the right amount of distance, I was even able to project an image covering the entire wall of my living room, which just looks so amazing. There are plenty of streaming services already built in, such as Netflix, Disney Plus, as well as Amazon Prime Video, and you can also download additional apps as well, which is awesome. So setting up this projector was super simple using the Samsung SmartThings app on my phone, and it took about 5 to 10 minutes. There's built-in speakers which provides 360-degree sound, and it sounds pretty good in my living room setup, and you can also connect external devices like consoles with the micro HDMI port on the side of the projector. What I really love about this is that you can swivel it 180 degrees, so essentially you can have an image in front of you, on the ceiling, or even behind you. The Samsung Freestyle 2nd Gen also features autofocus and auto keystone calibration features, meaning that the image can automatically focus if you're adjusting the projector front and back, as well as if you are adjusting the angle of the projector or if it is just not on a level surface. It's really convenient, and I love having those tools so I don't have to automatically focus the image or calibrate it. The form factor of this projector is also incredibly small, and it easily fits inside my backpack. I even brought it to my outdoor gaming setup where I played Starfield, and I basically set this up on a tiny projector stand, projecting the image onto a backdrop, and it worked flawlessly in my outdoor setup. Back to the autofocus and auto calibration, I didn't have to adjust it at all. I just set it up and pointed it toward the backdrop. And with the built-in speakers, I didn't have to bring any additional items like Bluetooth speakers since it was already built into this projector. What's more is that I even brought this to my college apartment, which is where I'm filming right now, and I plan on setting this up right here in my living room setup because this apartment didn't come with a TV. So this is my college apartment living room setup with the Samsung Freestyle 2nd Gen as my main viewing and audio device. Yet again with built-in speakers that sound nice and crisp, it keeps the setup clean and minimal, and my roommate loves using this to watch movies at night. The best parts were that I didn't have to lug around a heavy setup or drill into the walls, and this projector autofocused and calibrated to this wall. I love the portability of this projector because it easily fit inside one small compartment of my backpack, and I was able to bring this USB-C power cable as well as this remote control. Also comes with Samsung's gaming hub, so you can connect to multiple gaming streaming services like Nvidia GeForce Now as well as Xbox and stream games online without having to connect a physical console. And this will definitely help to reduce clutter in my living room as well as simplify the move out process because I don't have to lug out a few consoles as well as all my other belongings. The included remote control is also rechargeable via USB-C and solar power at the back of the remote, which is really cool because you can leave this by a window and essentially just charge it for free. If you want to learn more about the Samsung Freestyle 2nd Gen with Gaming Hub, click the link in the description section of this video. Thanks for watching, and huge thanks to Samsung for sponsoring this video as well as sending over this projector. I am gonna quickly go to my friend's apartment and have a viewing party.